All right, this is going to be a quick episode. This is episode 7 of our programming subseries. We're going to be talking about the bool/boolean. This is the primitive data type in every language that represents true or false values. Or you can think about it as 1 and 0 values if you think in binary. So different languages do different things with this primitive type. For example, C++, you can say true or false for the value of a bool variable, or you can say 1 or 0, whereas in Java you can only say true or false. You can't say 1 or 0. It won't work. And then another discrepancy is the naming. So in C++ we call a Boolean by the bool standard, and then in the Java we have to call it a Boolean, not a bool. So the bool is used to create flags and use flags in our programs. So these are quite important as we'll need flags to indicate that certain things have happened. Also, we can use bools in our return values. So if we have a function that's returning a bool indicating whether something has happened or hasn't happened, we can then use that return value to do other things. So here we are in Eclipse. I have a variable of type Boolean. Remember in Java we have to call it Boolean, we can't call it bool, so if I just got rid of those it wouldn't recognize it, so we have to say Boolean. And I set it to false, and like I said, we have to use true and false values. We can't say 0, it won't recognize that, so we have to say false. Anyways, we go into an infinite loop, and then I print to the console what the status of the flag is, and then we have some conditions. So if the flag is currently false, which it's initialized to, so this will be the first condition that our program goes to, it'll change the flag to true, and then if the flag is true, it'll change it to false. So this is just going to go on forever. Let's run it, and you probably saw it down there. Anyway, you can see that it's going on forever, and it's just alternating from true to false, and so on and so forth. So this is an example of how we can use a Boolean variable.